We can compute the contribution rates and then the growth year-on-year growth rate in the same manner as well. So, for example, if I want to compute the contribution rate of the sale for FY23, which is just this number divided by the total here, right? So this divided by this divided by this, and then how can I do it? I can do the same thing in here. So click on the table and then new measure as well, or you can click new measure in here. Okay, so let us. So I use sale contribution CT for contribution rate of FY23. So I will do this formula. mm, the sum of actually the sum of FY23, I can have this view in here already. I have cell FY23 in here already, but then I want to give you the like for like version of the two. So I will S1 is the sum of T3, and then the sale of the FY23. Okay, so sum if the FY is FY23, then I will give 1, otherwise I give 0, and then that's it. Okay, so if I return this at 2, I do the same thing. Later I will change, but for now, if I return the S1 over S2, it will be 1 everywhere, right? Because that basically S1 and S2, they're the same. So two numbers in the same with the same value, and then if you divide the two number, it will give you 1. Okay, okay, which is what we observe here. Okay, now I will change this S2 so that it reflects this number, and then S1 I will keep it like this, so that it reflect one of those number. Okay, so in order to do this, I will change this to all selected. Okay, so now you can see the contribution rate here is about 58%. Oh, by the way, if you click on the percent here, it will update the percentage for you. Okay, so this is the way to compute the contribution rate by just two expression. The second one, if you add the all selected, then it will reflect all the selected value in here, and then it will update. Now I will explain the all selected in this context by the selector in here, and then put the market in here. Now, if I select Indonesia and then Singapore and ignore Malaysia, then the uh, uh, the all selected will be this one. So you can see here the contribution rate will be higher because this one divide. Actually, it depends on, because Malaysia number is uh, very big, so so that you, um, so that if you ignore Malaysia, then the number in here will be higher. Now, if I select Malaysia in total, it, you have to divide by 22% here. 22% here. Okay, so so the thing is, when I unselect this one, it will be the same 321 divided by this number. Okay, but then if I select Malaysia, this 300 have to divide by this number. So the number will be smaller, right? So the same thing happened with the other market as well. So for example here, if Singapore, this 123 divide by this number, but if I the same 123 when I remove Malaysia, will be divided by 444. So the number was also bigger, right? But then you can see also the totals over 100 because uh, it's only count the uh, the selected one on the view. So this these two together, sum together and divide by this. Okay, so it will be 100. Either way, but when this one changes in either way, it doesn't matter. It will still the total contribution will be 100. Okay. Now I can do the same thing with the other years, and then you can see the same one as well. So I will do the same trick, which is to copy this one and then new measure here, and then I will do FY24. So in here I have to change FY24 and then FY24 again. Okay, so if you want to change only in one place, you can var fy in here and you do fy24. Okay, and then in here you only need to change fy and then fy. So later, if you want to change FY24 to FY25, basically you only need to change inside here, not here. So this writing is the same as the one before, but then when it will be easier for you to maintain the formula. Okay, so I will copy this one to the previous measure, and I want to update also. So in here, you can copy the whole thing from here and then you change this one to FI23 and done. So nothing else. You need to change one time only. You need to change one time only. Okay, so similarly, I will put the FY24 in here and then and then I need to change the FY24 into the percentage as well. So in here, you can see. Okay, so now after the third time, and then you know the drill already is very simple. 25 in here, and then 25 in here, and then done. Okay, and then 100% in here. Yeah, okay. And then you can see all the three contribution rate will be updated accordingly when I unselect one market. For example, if I select only Indonesia and Malaysia, and then you can see here the rate is 100%, but this number will be updated already. The contribution will be updated. Yeah, okay. So hopefully after this example, you know how to actually you know two things. The first thing is how to compute the contribution rate, and then the second thing is how to use the contextual set here to define the context. The first context is the cell here, the value in the cell, and the second context is the overall selected value, which is this one for FY24 and this one for FY25.